In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Dropbox account storage. If your Dropbox is starting to feel full, or you just want to stay organized and avoid running out of space, this process is actually very straightforward. We'll go through the main areas you should check so you can see what's taking up storage, remove anything you no longer need, and decide whether your current plan still works for you. Start by opening your browser and going to dropbox.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, open the Plan or Billing tab. This is where you can view how much storage you've used and how much total space you have available. This is a good first step because it gives you a clear picture of whether you just need a small cleanup or something more significant. Next, go to Files so you can quickly find large items. If the size column is available, use it to sort your files. You can also use Search and type larger, 100 MB to help locate bigger files faster. Then sort from largest to smallest and look through the results carefully. This makes it much easier to spot files or folders that are taking up a lot of room, especially older backups, videos, or duplicate uploads you may not need anymore. If you find anything unnecessary, right-click the file or folder and choose Delete. After that, go to Deleted Files from the left side menu. This part is important. Deleted files can still use storage until they are permanently removed. If you want to free up space right away, click Permanently Delete. You should also check the Shared section. Look for shared folders you no longer need, as well as files that others shared with you. If they're no longer useful, choose to remove your access or leave the folder. Shared content can sometimes take up more space than people expect, so this is worth reviewing regularly. On mobile, open the Dropbox app, tap Account, and go to Camera Uploads. If you don't want Dropbox automatically backing up every photo or video from your device, turn that feature off. Then delete any unwanted photos or videos already stored there to reduce storage use. If you use Dropbox on a PC, open the desktop app, click the Dropbox icon in the system tray, then click your profile icon and go to Preferences. Select Sync and choose which folders you want to keep offline using Selective Sync. This helps you better control what stays available on your computer. Finally, if you've cleaned everything up and still need more space, visit dropbox.com/plans, review the available options such as Basic, Plus, or Professional, and click Upgrade if needed.